Yo guys, what's up? It's Kevin Trade. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys another weekly stock watch list, and I'm going to be recording this early in the morning on Saturday because I am getting my new setup with my new monitors and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to record this for you guys real quick and then get the new setup going. So I'm saying goodbye to the setup here today. But to start, in terms of earnings this week, we really don't have much. I guess if we were to really watch anything, it'd be Costco. We could see what goes on with that. I really don't see anything else other than that. Looking at the economic calendar, we do have a long weekend, Monday, so enjoy your time, spend time with family and friends. Do something that you love, do something that you can do that's away from the screens, and then come back on Tuesday and come and get back to it. So on Tuesday, we do have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Wednesday, not seeing much here. We do have this manufacturing index at 10 a.m. Thursday, we do have unemployment claims and GDP at 8:30 in the morning. So it'd be nice to see how that plays out pre-market. Then at 10 a.m. on the same day, we have pending home sales. So got to be on the lookout for that. And then on Friday, we just got something light, PMI 15 minutes into the market, and then we have price index at 8:30 in the morning. So with that being said, let me start with the futures and the overall market. So on NQ here, we broke all-time highs, and we then fell down, and then we dropped, and then we bounced off of this trend line right here, or we just created this trend line, so something to pay attention to. We bounced pretty strongly, and then we tested 18,900, then we rejected. So during the next week, I'm going to be looking to see if we can hold 18,800 on NQ. I'm looking to see if we can test that 18,930. If we can break that 18,930, we can see up to all-time highs again, see if we can crack that. And yeah, so looking at ES here, pretty much the same thing. Broke all-time highs last week, then we came back down, tested 5,300 area, then we bounced right back up. So on ES, I'm looking for us to hold 5,300, and then I want to see if we can crack above that 5,350 area, and hold. If we can hold above 5,350, we can definitely see all-time highs again. But yeah. So going over the actual stock watch list, what I got here first off the list is Apple. We do have this flat bottom here at 186.50. I don't usually trade Apple like that. I don't really like the way it moves, but if some of you guys do like trading Apple, this setup looks pretty good. You could take 186.50 into that 186.10. Pre-market support right there. Next we got AMD. We do have these trend lines here on the 15-minute that we created from the algo. We could play this both to the upside and the downside. If we can break this 15-minute trend here, I'm looking to play puts around 160, probably targeting that Thursday low right around 158. And then vice versa on the upside. If we go into the 4-hour here, it might be a cleaner picture for you guys. You can see that we have this flat top here at 173. It looks super clean. I'm going to take that and target 174. So yeah, nothing. Coin. I know a lot of the people in stock hours really hate this stock, but the setup is setting up pretty nicely that I'm willing to take the risk on this. So 239 flat top right there on the 1 hour, targeting the 240 break. Looks pretty clean. Probably going to be sizing down on this because the spreads are a bit wide at times. So other than that, I really don't have much of a game plan on Coinbase, but this 239 looks pretty sexy, if I do say so myself. On Google, I've been having some pretty solid trades on Google lately. We do have this 1 hour trend right here. If we can break below that and hold, I would love to play this 173 low here and into that 172.50. And then on the upside, We do have this level at 178. If we play 178, I would love to target 178.30 and then 178.45. Next on the list, we got meta here. What's on meta? Oh, right, okay. So if we start off on the 4-hour chart here, you can see we broke this 4-hour trend. We got some strength on meta here. So if we can keep this strength up and we can diverge, we can show some divergence against the market. Playing this 483 into that gap fill at 484.58 would be a solid play because we still haven't filled that gap to the upside yet, and we've been consolidating this entire time. So if we push, we're gonna push on the 483 break. So I'm really liking meta, and just take into account we are breaking this 30-minute trend here. If we can hold, that'd be pretty good. Microsoft, I played this on Friday, this 425 break. I don't know if you guys saw my live trade, but I entered on like a green to red right here, and then try to sell at the very bottom here. I'm not opposed to playing it again. We just need to break past this 1-hour trend again. So yeah, this isn't like a setup that I'm gonna be focusing on mainly. There's better setups like Netflix right here. This flat top at 652 is insane. Definitely loving this on Netflix. Has been showing some relative strength against the market. Yeah, and we could probably target that 653. And then next on Nvidia, crazy stock after earnings. I'm not even surprised that it just pumps at this point. But yeah, most people are probably looking at the upside of Nvidia. I'm actually looking at the downside here because if we check the daily right here, we gapped up from earnings, right? What is that, like a shit, man? Let's see, like a $55 gap. So we got some downside to fill. If I put this on the 30-minute chart, you can see we do have this like level right here at 1025. Me personally, I like to take safer entries, so I'd probably be waiting for that 1020 to take an entry to the downside and targeting that 1015-20 area. 1025 is higher risk. You can choose to enter there if you want. 1020 is probably where I'm going to take this trade to the downside. So honestly, Nvidia upside, I probably got nothing. I don't really just like playing random highs, especially since we're trading at all-time highs. You never know how far the stock can go. So, and the last thing I got on the list is Tesla here. You can see we have this 1-hour trend. We're breaking it. And if we can break and hold above this 1-hour trend, you could play this level right here, this high at 183 area. I'm probably gonna keep it as a side watch for now. But my main level that I'm really looking at is this 188. We have this flat top right here at 187.50-ish. But I'm probably just gonna take my entry at 188 and then scalp the break on that. Also to the downside on Tesla, we do have this 15-minute trend here. If we can crack that, I'd love to play 173 to the downside, targeting that 171.50 at the May 16 low. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for my watch list. Hope you guys enjoy your long weekend, and always trade smart, trade safe, enjoy life away from the charts, and yeah, let's kill it this week. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you enjoyed, and peace out.